Welcome to another video from the series First Steps on the RebelMouse CMS. In our last videos, we talked about the Posts dashboard and how you can browse the contents of a site efficiently. This time, we want to talk about the user's dashboard and what you can do on it. From our Posts dashboard, we can click on the hamburger button on the top left, and there we can find the user's dashboard as long as we are logged in with an account that has enough attributions. As we mentioned on the introductory video, here we can see all the accounts from both CMS users and website users, and if we have enough permissions we can create, edit, or even delete users. As you might know, certain sites have their end users registered, they create accounts for them so they can log in, and they have different types of attributions on the site, and the way that we handle users in RebelMouse is that both CMS users and website users are managed through this dashboard. Just like in the Posts dashboard, here we can see some of the users' fields already being displayed for us. You can see a profile picture, the name, the role assigned to each team member, when did they sign up, the last time they logged in, if they have created posts, and the user followed sections, which is not a field that we will cover in this video. Search and filtering works essentially similar to what we did on the Posts dashboard. For example, we can use the search bar on the top right in order to search a user by their name. Filtering have many ways to this as well, similar to the search bar. Filter by creator does exactly the same, it filters the users by the given name. Filtering by a role will show us the users that have the same permissions. We will review these permissions later in this video. We can also filter the users by status, if they are active, pending, or banned. We can also filter by membership group, but this field will not be talked about in this video. We can also export the user's data to a CSV file and select the format and fields that this file will have. To create a new user, we will simply click on the Add button on the bottom right of the dashboard. Here we can create a new profile by giving it the requested fields, a name, last name, a valid email, a password, and a role. We can also send the invitation via the given email and give information about the user's social media accounts. If you click on any user's edit button on the right, you can see the same fields and a bit more, like a description or even a rating. Here you can give the user a new name, or even change their role to assign them new permissions. If you click on a user's name, you will be redirected to that particular user profile page. Here you will see their profile picture, which you can edit if you have enough permissions. Their description that you can also edit. And you will see every post that they have authored. We can also reach this page as we click on a post in order to go to that post page, and clicking the author name on that page. Let's go back to the user's dashboard for now. As we talked before, the users can have a variety of roles, each one coming with their respective permissions. We will start talking about the special role owner. This role basically means that the user assigned to this role can do anything and no other role can outpower them. Next, we will talk about administrator. This means that a user assigned to this role can create, edit, or delete pretty much anything, even other users. Developers and engineers will have enough permissions to alter layouts and make features using code and mainly the L&D tool, since their job is to construct the site. Editors and writers will have the permissions to create and manage posts, since they are the ones making content for the site. And for read-only permissions and no permissions users, they won't have any permissions to do any modifications to the site, they will only be allowed to navigate the site. What can we do if we do not want a user having access to the site? We will simply delete that user's profile. We will go to edit on that particular profile and use the ban user button down below. Once that is done, that user will not have permissions to even log in. That's all you need to know about the user's dashboard. See you in the next video and thanks for watching.